Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, General 4, Construction Phasing. This video illustrates A. Phase construction drawing, B. Phase construction notes. After the proposed improvements have been designed, an analysis is required as to how the improvements can be constructed, especially on a road that is currently being used. The results of this analysis is shown on the phase construction drawing that is currently displayed. For this road, there are two phases of construction. The improvements to be constructed in Phase 1 are shaded in green, and those in Phase 2 in orange. Any additional road pavement widening required to construct the Phase 1 improvements is shown in blue. Since it is difficult to obtain good compaction in narrow pavement widening areas, Portland cement concrete is generally used at these locations. The description of the work to be performed in each phase is set forth in the sequence of construction and general notes that is contained in the phase construction notes on the notes drawing, which is eventually XREF into the phase construction SPD drawing. In addition to addressing the sequence of constructing the improvements, the notes should also address the handling of traffic and access to adjacent driveways during construction. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.